Don't miss this opportunity of owning a fabulous duplex at the west end of Panama City Beach. This one-of-a-kind property features 2 complete floors, and it comes fully furnished, a well-landscaped front yard, golf views, a great front porch to enjoy your views, and much, much, much more. This has 2 of everything. 2 utility meters, 2 air conditioners, too much for the money. This is a must-see. Put it on your list.